scary. Help me.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
North 11:15 today. The suspect was driving a silver 2018 Nissan Sentra, Idaho license 1A909ES. Direction of travel or destination is unknown. The suspect has been identified as Brooke L. Landor. Suspect physical description: 41 years old, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 180 pounds with brown hair, U.S. The victim is 10 years old. If you have any information about this incident, please contact the Oregon Amber Alert line at 1-866-5-AMBER-5186-6526.
We're going to grab 2 cups of flour first up, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a half teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix this together. Now we're going to take that plastic of butter that we have here and throw that into the stand mixer. I need 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Let it rip. And now I'm going to add 2 eggs one at a time. Add a splash of vanilla. About a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so I'm going to add about half the flour right now.
The National Weather Service Office in Portland, Oregon. The proceeding was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming. The current time is 11:05 a.m.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh my god! My first severe thunderstorm warning catch. I record these, I'm in the community, I post videos about it. My first SVR catch. Holy crap.
7 miles west of Government Camp, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Hope Village, Zigzag, Lolo Pass, Welch's, Rhododendron, and Brightwood. In Oregon, this includes the south. Highway 26 east of Portland between mile markers 33 and
That's my sit. That it's including I think this is including Sandy.
People outside
I need to. It's currently 11:20 a.m. We're about to have a national periodic test for August 7th, 2019. There's something. There's that. There's that. Go to radio.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was
Time is wrong. Don't worry about it.
broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency.
Go, go, go. I got one more station. ABC, I have NBC up there, ABC down here. Oh. Wow.
Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcasting.
So, those two just have green bars. Well, the TV up there. This one is just full blue.
The Federal Communications Commission and local authorities.
Go, go. Oh. Wait. Why? Please. Let me listen to this. When did it cut off? Oh. It cut off mid. Well, I'm going to sit through this so you guys can listen. I'll turn it up.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert.
Sea Cruises, one of the largest cruise lines in the world, where
Okay.
is beyond just ordinary.
Well, it's probably going to say no actions required. That would have finished.
These steps are covered in
Let's see if I can rewind. See how this TV down here acted, if it acted exactly like that. So it's back on ABC, Kelly and Ryan. Come on.
Filming. This is us right now, correct?
We're 2 episodes in. Just had your
Come on. Unless it... Did I skip it? Yes, yes I did. So look at that. Actually, so, here, let's restart this from the beginning. Whew, seconds loud. And then, wait. Oh. Okay.
Love and Whitney Cummings. Love Whitney Cummings.
Come on, switch. There we go. There's the EOMs. There's the same headers, tension tone, and this info. Yeah, NPT Private Support System is issued in National Periodic Test for the United States, effective August 7, 11:50 a.m. Pacific Time.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an
Drop my phone.
emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert.
Oh, it failed. Well, at least failed to finish the message. Oh, I don't think. Well, I was gonna do. What was it called? 1051 KRSK HD1 Malala, Portland, and it just decided. Nah. Well, I got part of it, so at least that's all. And it's playing normal radio now. And why are you wrong? All right, that's the National Periodic Test, August 7th, and cool beans. That's basically it.